BSK न्यूज 24 में आपका स्वागत है। मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी पीएम ऑफ इंडिया इनॉग्रेशन 25th एनिवर्सरी ऑफ राजीव गांधी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंस Bangalore.
It has altered the lives of humans. Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. I, Dr. S. Sachidanand, Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, have the pleasure to welcome you, sir, to inaugurate the Silver Jubilee celebrations and 25th day foundation of RGHS, and also to release the compendium of research articles published by various faculties of the affiliated institutions of this university. I also request you to deliver the inaugural address, sir. Dhanyavadagalu. I hereby request the Honorable Prime Minister of India to inaugurate the 25th year celebrations and release the compendium of research articles published by RGHS. Kindly address the gathering, sir.
Governor of Karnataka, Sri Vajubhai Vala, CM Yedurappa ji, Vice Chancellor, distinguished faculty, alumni, young friends, students, it gives me great joy to inaugurate the 25th Foundation Day of this distinguished university. I congratulate the entire medical and scientific community associated with this university. In these years, you are doing wonderful work in teaching as well as training on systems of medicine. 25 years means this university is in the prime of its youth. This is the age to think even bigger and do even better. I am confident that the university will continue to scale new heights of excellence in the times to come. I would also like to appreciate the efforts of the Karnataka government in handling the COVID-19 situation. Friends, in normal times, the celebrations would have surely been bigger. Had it not been for the global pandemic, I would have loved to be with you all in Bengaluru to mark this special day. But today, the world is facing one of the biggest crises since the two world wars. Like the world changed pre and post world wars, the same way the pre and post COVID world will be different. Friends, during such a time, the world is looking up to our doctors, nurses, medical staff, and scientific community with hope and gratitude. The world seeks both care and cure from you. Friends, at the root of India's brave fight against COVID-19 is the hard work of the medical community and our corona warriors. In fact, doctors and medical workers are like soldiers, but without the soldier's uniform. The virus may be an invisible enemy, but our corona warriors, medical workers are invincible. In the battle of invisible versus invincible, our medical workers are sure to win. Friends, earlier, the debates on globalizations have focused on economic issues. Now, the world must unite and focus on humanity-centric aspects of development. Advancements nations make in the health sector will matter more than ever before. Friends, during the last 6 years, we in India, many initiatives in healthcare and medical education. We are broadly working on 4 pillars. The first is preventive healthcare. This includes the importance to yoga, Ayurveda, and general fitness. More than 40,000 wellness centers have been opened, where a key focus is on controlling lifestyle-related disease. The success of the Swachh Bharat mission is another key part of preventive healthcare. The second is affordable healthcare. Ayushman Bharat, the world's largest healthcare scheme, belongs to India. In less than 2 years, 1 crore people have benefited from this Ayushman Bharat scheme. Women and those staying in villages are among the major beneficiaries of this scheme. And the third pillar is improvements on the supply side. A nation like ours has to have proper medical infrastructure and medical educational infrastructure. Work is underway to ensure a medical college or postgraduate medical institute in every district of the country. The country has seen rapid progress in setting up 22 more AIIMS. Over the last 5 years, we have been able to add